I'm Andrea, and she is Melanie. So we're best friends, and we are best friends.
We're just having fun.
So this is an easier way to make slime. So we're gonna make Tide and glue. So if you don't have no ingredients of other hard ways, you can just mix Tide and glue. These two. So
This is Tide, not glue.
let's go. So first you're gonna need something to mix with and something to mix in.
Yeah.
So
Then
you're
we'll
gonna
get the
pour
glue.
the glue. So a little bit only. If you want a lot, then you can. But you're gonna need a lot of Tide. So we're just gonna pour a
Yeah,
little bit.
that's not easy. Just
And
use this.
the Tide, you're gonna keep adding it, okay?
Wow.
So for now, I'm just gonna add a
I
lot.
think I just had too much, girl.
So for now, I'm gonna add a lot and see if this is gonna work. So
Then we'll get.
I'm just gonna mix it. You have to mix it the whole time. Think a lot of minutes. I don't know how many minutes, but yeah.
And that'll be way easier.
Yeah. So mine is getting like this. It's getting watery. So that means you have to put more glue and Tide. I forget of glue and Tide.
Sorry. Oh, she's a little bit forgetter.
So as you can see how it's getting more together, and the glue is forming into slime right now.
As y'all guys
I'm
can
mixing
see.
it, and then she's gonna need
Look
more
at
Tide.
Do I?
Yes, look how it needs.
Oh
to
yeah,
be.
it is too sticky. So
So,
we'll just put more Tide. Wow.
Mine is unsticking to the plate.
We'll just have
and
to
the
keep
spoon.
mixing it up.
So I feel like this is gonna be slime. So yeah, I'm gonna take
Ignore
it
the
out.
noises that they're outside.
So I'm gonna take it out and try to play with it. Oh, it's so weird.
Do I need more Tide? I don't really know.
Ah.
This is my first time doing it, to be sure, but through these videos we're gonna be making different slimes.
And
slime
if
hamburgers and slime everything.
If y'all keep following to our
And subscribe.
videos, we can grab some prizes for y'all and buy some, and we could even send y'all some slimes.
Slime
that
that
are
we're gonna
cool.
make, even the glitter slime that I'm gonna buy. with
Yeah,
glitter.
we're gonna make a gold one, and we're hoping that y'all can get a subscriber. We can get all.
If we
videos
get at
subscribed.
least to 300 subscribers, we'll bring y'all gifts. Some of them.
So if y'all leave comments below, then y'all could even get prizes. Best comments, okay? For
Yeah.
us.
Sometimes we're gonna be doing a video of costumes.
So I'm gonna be a zombie vampire, and she is going to be.
I don't really know.
Okay, I know what she's gonna be, but I know that I'm gonna be a zombie vampire. I love those both things, so
Even-
yeah.
I have 3 opinions. Either
¿Ya se les acabó el tiempo, niñas?
Huh?
¿Ya se les acabó el tiempo?
I don't know.
¿Ya da tu mamá? Andrea,
Ay.
pásale.
What were you
Sorry.
doing?
Oh,
So where were we at?
yeah, where we? Yeah.
Okay. So like I said, we were gonna if you subscribe us, and if you have a YouTube channel, we can subscribe you.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
We'll leave comments if we
So
can.
it can be equal.
Yeah.
So like we are going to like try to make more and more videos so y'all can subscribe.
And have a little fun making slime. Mine's
Yeah.
all done.
And then we're gonna make other
Oh.
videos that are fun too, like
Funny
3 a.m.
videos?
3 a.m. videos, sleepover videos.
Baby's little videos,
Yeah.
baby little brother's videos, and it's so sticky, so I have to
we're
have
gonna
more
make
Tide.
a lot of different kinds of videos for you. So that's why this is our first #1 video. So we're hoping that you can subscribe.
And if we
Bye,
get to
guys.
300 subscribers, we'll do something special.
Well, bye
We'll
everybody.
do costume ideas.
So we're gonna do makeup and videos like that. Maybe we'll make
Makeup.
them tomorrow. But bye guys.
Bye.
We'll see you another day.